This morning was all about Oga Yoga, a creative way for students to strengthen their muscles and improve their flexibility, as well as strengthening and improving their Irish.
This morning, Kieran, who's launching his new book, made us do some yoga poses while reading through the book, and it was quite fun to do because we get to clear our mind after a big busy day.
The book was about a guy called Diarmuid travelling all over India, visiting these animals, going to famous places in India, learning these poses.
It's a good way to stretch out your muscles and just get like a nice start to the day when you do yoga.
Doing yoga this morning, it's, well, very relaxing, I'd say, especially at Scoil, because you get to rediscover new vocabulary that you might have learned in 5th, 4th or 3rd.
As they had the crack, agus use an cúpla focal as Scoilaga, these young yogis are learning how to stretch their bodies, calm their minds, and most importantly, show the Irish language some gra.
Is even yoga as Scoilga, because it really helps with your understanding of Irish. I do feel like it's improved my Irish because it's more than just an Irish lesson in class. We just hear Kieran speaking Irish and we sort of learn it over time without him actually saying this means this.
Is bralum yoga like Kieran, maar it relaxes you for the day and it makes you really want to be excited for Irish.
Well, I was brought up speaking Irish at home, and then I went to a Gael school, and it's the language that I speak with my own children at home. So we know we learn quicker and easier when movement is part of it. So learning Irish with movement is a great way to 10x the learning and to really bring it home for the children.
After mastering both the practice and the language, I think these yoga hi oga deserve a big bula bus.
3, 2,